The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Janesville, Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Lake Koshkonong, Tiffany, Emerald Grove, Avalon, Shopier, Johnstown Center, Afton, Fugs Hollow, and Lima Center. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.